Hi, welcome to our channel Shaha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to highlight weekend in Google Spreadsheet. So watch this video very carefully so that you can understand clearly. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can get regular updates and notifications from our channel. So let's begin the tutorial. So here you can see a format of attendance sheet. On the top row you can see the date and the name of the days, and here the employee codes, and here you can select month from the drop down list and year from the drop down list. You can see when I select February it changes, and when I select March it again also changes. So let's take February, and now we will highlight the Saturday and Sunday. So first select the range where you want to highlight, then go to format, select the conditional formatting, and here in the format rules select custom formula is, and in the value or formula type equal to left bracket open. Our first cell is B3, so B $3 comma 1. So what does this function do? Left function will take one character from this cell. That means in this cell it has fry, so it will take F, and in this cell it will take S, and in this cell also it will take S. In this way only the first character of all the days will be taken. So if this value is equal to S, then will get highlighted for Saturday and Sunday. Suppose we take this color, so we can see Saturday and Sunday is highlighted. But if we want only Sunday to be highlighted, then we have to change the rule. Click here, and in place of this formula you have to type $3 equal to, within quotation, Sunday. You can see only Sunday is highlighted. But if you have a dynamic weekend, suppose if you have it will change to Friday and Sunday, maybe Saturday and Sunday, then you have to do it in a different way. First delete this, then take a new row above this row, and in sheet 1 type here the weekend names. Suppose we type here Saturday and Sunday, and we will create a dynamic range for this. Maybe you have one weekend, maybe two. So for that we have to create this a dynamic range. To create a dynamic range, first we have to take a helper cell equal to, within quotation, and this is sheet 1, so type sheet 1 exclamation dollar, this one is C, so $C colon, sorry, $C $1 colon $C quotation close, and count a bracket open $C colon $C bracket close, and enter. So we got the range. Now we will use a reference for a name range reference for this cell. So go to data, click here named ranges, and here we'll add a new name range, add a range. Here we will type weekend, then done. And let's go here, close this one. So now in this cell we will populate 0 if this value doesn't match with the weekend, and we will populate 1 if it matches with the weekend. So we have already created name range for this. So now we are equal to count if our range will be weekend. So in weekend we have this text string. So to convert this text string we need indirect function. So indirect within bracket name of the name range weekend, you can see here bracket close comma, our criteria will be this cell, then bracket close, enter. We can see we got 0 because this is Friday is not the weekend. You can see here Saturday and Sunday is weekend. So now drag this up to this. You can see we got 1 for Saturday and Sunday. Now drag till the end. So you can see all the Saturday and Sunday is filled with 1 and others with 0. Now we will highlight this Saturday and Sunday based on these values. So first select the range. After that click add another row and apply to range. This is already filled, that is B4 to AF15. And now in format rules we will select custom formula. So our formula will be equal to this cell, that means B3. So here we have to type B3, but we have to log the row 3. So before 3 we have to place a dollar sign equal to 1, and now color this cell with this color. Close this one. Now we can see that all Saturday and Sunday is filled with red color. If I change, suppose here I want to place, instead of Saturday I place Friday. We can see Friday and Sunday is weekend. And now if I place only Friday, you can see only Friday is colored. You do not need to change the formula again and again to highlight these cells. Just you make this dynamic and then you change the day here and it will automatically highlight that column. So in this way you have to highlight the weekend in any attendance sheet within Google Sheet. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well. If you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can comment me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell button so that you can get all the updates and notifications from our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.